banana. Shit. Alright, so we're on our way to Hermit Falls. We're going for a hike. And I think I'm gonna jump in, I think. I don't know if he is.
I'm not.
You're not? For real, you're not?
Wait, low-key, I'm pretty down.
Dig, because why not? We have towels.
Why not? I could just take this on.
Yeah, just take it off. Yeah. If anything, I'll take off my shirt. And my socks and my shoes. And I was going with my shorts.
I don't know.
But we're about to get on 605 North, and holy shoot, it's freaking packed today.
Light, bitch.
Packed today.
Big, it's valley. It's always.
I'm vlogging while driving,
So
while
north or south?
merging onto the freeway, 605 North. Alrighty.
Bro, during 75
Well,
mil. Bro, we're gonna be that rich one day.
keep you guys in touch.
That rich one day, bro. That's gonna be 375 mil. I think I'm down. Let's go. Let's go to Valley Port.
Hold up, I'm just taking a video.
Give me this shit.
Oh, she's sick. You see the fit, bro.
Does the fit go off?
See the shoes? Fresh. Alright, let's get this shit started. So we're going to Hermit Falls, and I think we're both going to jump in today. Oh, we didn't bring the towels. Fuck it.
Nah. Go get the
Nah, because we'll dry back.
Dig, we're gonna get rashes. Just trust.
Dig, we're going to get rashes. Don't be a little pussy.
Dig.
Look, you're acting like a little mama's boy.
I don't think I'm gonna fucking.
You're acting like a mama's boy.
I ain't gonna follow him. I ain't gonna jump in, dig.
You're a fool.
Start vlog.
Out here at Hermit Falls.
So we're on our way to Hermit Falls.
Oh, yeah.
It's only a mile and a half. But see, look at this.
It's a beautiful scenery.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it's fucking amazing. We got B Gomez over here vlogging himself too.
What's up?
What's up, dude? Yeah, we're gonna have a good ass time.
Damn.
I'm actually. Fuck. We honestly should have done this earlier.
Have you been here before?
I haven't.
I've been here before. I've been here like twice, I think. So
Yeah.
I know some of it, but not a lot. We're gonna run this shit? Not right now, not while vlogging. It'd be too shaky and shit. Alright.
Yeah. Catch you guys later.
So what you got here? Yeah. See you in a
We're
little bit.
gonna go down to the water.
Yeah, we made it. There's a waterfall. Isn't it so beautiful? Just kidding, that's not it. But we here. Guess who said we weren't gonna run, but guess what? We're running. What? Oh, for real, yeah. I don't think it's meant for a running trail, bro. That's why it's a hike. Oh, it's too good. You could, but... Well, actually, yeah, you do. Because how the fuck are you supposed to get across?
Trail right there.
Where?
See how the
Oh, yeah, let's go. D-Rose. Where? Right here? Oh, I know. That's what I'm doing. There you go. My Alrighty. Let's cross this. Whoa. I thought I would drop my phone. That'd be a real bummer. Yep, we made it. Alright, let me get a picture of this fool. Alright, so we're probably like a little more than halfway, if not halfway done. But we're in shade, so it's pretty cool. We ran the first couple of, like maybe the half mile maybe. This who didn't want to run. But then he's like, oh, let's run. It's been a while since I ran. But it's not even it's my banger. This is my song right here. It was just a phase. Alright, so we're almost there. I'll see you guys when I get there. So we're doing just a quick little jog here. Sorry for the camera if it's so shaky. It's kind of hard to hold my phone while I'm holding a water bottle while I'm running, while trying to keep a good step. so I don't eat shit. But right now we're just doing the uphill. It's kind of tiring, not gonna lie. But we're gonna push through it. And we're gonna get to that freaking waterfall. Fuck with the weekend. Hey, we fuck with the weekend heavy. Shout out to everyone who fucks with the weekend. If you fuck with the weekend, like this video. And if you like nature, as well, like this video. If you like going on hikes, like this video. I went out of my way to try and make some good content today. I'm gonna keep trying to do that for the rest of this summer. So let's keep going.
Bro.
Hold on. Hype it up.
Bro, you're not gonna fucking do this shit. You're a pussy ass nigga. No one wants your bitch ass because you're not gonna do this shit. You're not even jumping from out there, you're jumping from right here.
It's just scary, dude.
Hey, don't make me push you up.
Chill, don't push me now.
Alright,
I'll do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh.
Go. Yeah. You're a bitch, be a man. It's just water, nigga. Is it cold?
Just go to the edge or jump right here on this one, it's easier.
Right in the middle.
Yes, right in the middle. Fine.
She's so scared.
You saw us. Head first to the rock. Head first to the rock. Go!
Okay, 1,
2, 3, go! Yeah!
She's dope, bro. She's funny as fuck. Okay, so I just jumped into Hermit Falls. That was pretty sick. That was the first time I ever done that. I've been here before. I just never jumped it. But that was pretty sick. I did the lower one, but next time I come, I'm gonna do the taller one. This neck, didn't do any of it because he's a lop. But next time he said, we'll both do the tall one next time. But at least I did one this time. So I feel pretty accomplished. And my hair is pretty wild. But yeah. That water was freezing cold. Like so ice cold. But it was refreshing as hell. It's getting hot it's getting kinda hot now. I gotta hike all the way back up. Catch you guys later. Whoa. It's hella downhill. What is this, Guap Mizzle?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa! Woo! That's good, G.
My stomach hurts.
Oh shit. Look at my wrist, whoa. Yeah. Song's a banger. That's a famous Dex. Dexter! Catch me down with your bitch, ayy. Yeah. Riding around with your bitch, ayy. Whoa. Where's who at? low key, pretty exhausted. Not exhausted, just a little tired. This is exhausted. I'm a little tired, I'm a little winded. It's been a while since I ran or done any exercise. Still good though. I'll see you when I get to the top. Shout out Groot season and ZTD. Hell yeah. Alright, so we ain't smoking backwoods, but we in the woods. If that makes sense or counts or works. You ain't going in front of me, nigga. Yeah. Woo! Alright, so I'm walking back to the car. I'm like right here. You can really see it's like 10 feet away. Adam's freaking exhausted. I'm tired, but that fool's not walking to the car, so I'm gonna save his ass. I'll bring the car to him because I'm a good friend, you know. But we made it, we did it. So I was like, I say like 4 miles total, because 1.5 to get there, 1.5 back, and then a couple other little spots we go to or that we went through. But I say it was like 4 miles. It was good. It was refreshing. The water was cold and refreshing. But see you guys when I'm home, or when I'm a slappy or something.
I wake up every damn morning screaming who is next. I'm knocking niggas out they shoes and I ain't even stretched. I make that boy so mad he wanna fucking kill himself. But it ain't that easy, boy, let me take your breath. We know that you a bitch just by the shit you say.
Okay, so I just dropped off Adam at his house. Oh, my bad. And I'm going home right now. I'm gonna go wash my car, clean my room, because my mom told me to do that before I left, and I asked her if I could do that after, and she said yeah, so I could go. So, yeah. I'm not tired, but I'm just a little drained. I guess it's tired, whatever. I'm tired. That was a great hike. I've been there forever. I love that place. Probably gonna go back soon, very soon. So just see another vlog like over there soon. Gonna jump from the higher one, and then gonna do the slide next time. It's a cool little slide. But I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. Just clean my room and wash my car for now, and then see what happens later. Okay, so I just finished washing my mom's car, and now I'm washing my car. My car was dirty as hell. I didn't even honestly notice, but haven't washed it yet, but I'm gonna wash it right now. And yeah, that's all for right now. Okay, so I just spilled a bunch of, not a bunch, but a good amount of paint in my garage on the floor. I'm pretty sure my mom's not gonna be happy about that. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so it's like right at the entrance when you walk in, and she's always painting. She's legit always painting. Like, she painted all of that and all of that and all of that over there and all of that. She did that. Damn. I gotta clean this up, and I have no idea how. Okay. I think I'm gonna get like a piece of cardboard and just like start picking it up and then let it dry and eventually scrape it off or wash it off or something. But yeah, spilled a bunch of paint. Okay, so I cleaned up the paint as much as I could, and now I just took a shower actually, so I'm pretty clean now. I feel less gross. So pretty productive day. Went on a hike, sick ass hike. And then I washed the cars. I spilled some paint, and right now I'm gonna go help my sister and her fiance move stuff from his house to their new apartment, or house, kind of apartment house complex. So yeah, see you in a bit. Alright guys, well, I'm out here in the backyard, and so I helped my sister's fiance move some stuff, and then yeah, it's pretty much it. I went to the store with my parents and my sister to fit on her dress, and that's about it. So it's like 10 o'clock almost, and I'm gonna end this vlog up. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, share please, and like. If you have a car, like this video. Peace out. Good night, guys.